Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. This is from Tina, from Tina's Reborns and More. Tina is my dolly friend, and what I'm saying, we text each other almost every day. We've done collabs together, and I am looking so forward to meeting Tina at the Blythe Con in November. Do you realize how quick that is? That's like, I think it's 8 months from now. Time is ticking. Please come to the Blythe Con, to the meetup that Jamie and I are working on. Jamie from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. It's going to be fun. Last year we had the first annual Dolly meetup in St. Louis, Missouri. We met, I could go on and on about that, and I have. So this year is the second annual Dolly YouTube meetup. I want to open this Happy Mail. I've got my girls standing here in their Valentine's outfits. I am loving, oh man, having so much fun with these dolls. Finally got Jackie back together. We took her, I don't even remember. I think we took her apart because Gothia's body got ruined, but it didn't work, and then you know how it is, you leave. Well, Jackie got put back together, and she now has one of Darren's new neck joints, and the idea is I'm supposed to play with these to make sure that they are right and tight. It's a new filament. It's I'll tell them.
It's just
a longer, stronger.
It's a high impact.
There we go.
Filaments.
And he even is doing customs. This is an icy head, which requires a different size on a Mimi Bobak body, which requires a whole lot of different, and I absolutely love them. But we're here for the Happy Mail. Let me get to that. Okay, and we are selling the neck joints in our website at whimsicalblythe.com. Put a little commercial in from time to time. Oh, Tina, thank you. Wait till you see what I did get. Oh. This is a Miniverse Make It food ball. I have seen people doing this. I thought there would be a place to.
Don't break a nail.
Yeah, I know. I've had so much trouble with my nails. I sew using my fingernails, and these two fingernails are like a sewing tool. Actually, these three. And I've broken them again. And I just can't get them to grow out to where they're a sewing tool. So I've been using my seam ripper as my fingernail. It doesn't work as well, and it's not near as fast. Okay, let me see if I can get this open. Give me a minute. Oh, I hope I didn't tear up the directions. Oh, Tina, this is fun. Oh, there's more. Oh, wait, there's more. Theft has become so terrible, and people are so assuming, open it up to see if it's the one they want kind of thing. It's terrible. Here we go. There we go. All right. Now, first of all, I will reuse this ball, if nothing else, for to store things in.
Base looks like a planter.
Yeah, it does. How cute is that? Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I see. Look here. This is going to go like this a bit. And then this, I don't know yet. Oh! Table. Hello, Marta. You're not quite as stupid as you look. Okay. What this is, I got to read the directions and see what I got. But let's peek in real quick. This is going to be a drink. Looks like a sweet tea. Okay, this have a sunny day. I don't want to open something that's going to dry up real quick. Okay, here is, this is the crumbles. And this is about a spoon. This is a spoon. I'm not sure. I have watched these. I've seen Ayla make these, and I have seen Tina make these. And we got tweezers, which is fantastic because I will reuse these when I'm customizing Blythe dolls. Okay, yeah, don't lose that part, because I'll bet, don't lose that part. Let me repeat. For heaven's sakes, my bear paws anymore. I hope that goes there because click. Oh, cute. Cute. I don't know what that is, but
Probably
it's
goes
cute.
on the other piece.
Whatever. Okay, look. Okay, look at these cute little tweezers. Aren't they cute? I don't know, they might not be strong enough for,
And I bet they get icky with whatever you're getting ready to do.
oh, that would be a shame. All right, looks like I need to read some directions. Wait a minute, this does not feel squishy, so let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Marshmallows. Oh, it might be hot chocolate. All right, that I don't want to open until I read the directions. I know there's some resin in here. And this looks like the list of, okay, here's the directions. I'll have to look at this and then we'll come back and make this. Yes, this is a list that I call Look What You Didn't Get list. And I call it that because they suck you in with these. You're like, oh, I want to get this
Waffles.
pie. Yeah.
Pie.
Yeah. And then you like buy all these balls and get different things. Oh, I think this is what I got right here. Isn't that cute? Oh, I like that. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I don't really read directions. I watched Ayla and Tina do these, and it looked like such fun. And then I go to read the directions, like, oh no. All right, we don't want all of these in here because it says on here that some go on the top, and it has a little candy, or yeah, a little candy bar that goes on top for the hot chocolate. How stinking cute is that? Let's just do this. That way I can spill them everywhere too.
Looks like a whipped cream too.
Oh,
no,
no, not too many. It needs to go on top. All right, and here's our chocolate bar. And what we're gonna do is add this, some of it, like half of it, because it's got like a halfway mark. And then the other half goes on top to hold down my candy bar and marshmallows and such. Now, it doesn't say shake it or anything. So let me see if I can open this. Probably not with my bear paws. Oh, you know me, I want to grab those scissors and give it a stab. Okay, evidently I should have got 2 of these because look, you're supposed to only use half, and that's half. Let's see what happens. Does it grow maybe while it sits in the sun? Let me put the cap back on for my second half. And I don't want to use that little spoon. I'm going to get a toothpick. Let me use the little spoon because, oh, I am a mess, aren't I? This may not be my craft. Tina, Ayla, come save me. Oh my God, what? See, I need 2 of these, if you look. All right, let's let this sit for 5 minutes in the sun, in the window, because it is cold here. This would freeze before the UV would freeze it. Okay, here's where we are after the first 5 minutes. I'm an idiot, and Darren had to figure out that we didn't add enough of the filler to go with it. So we got that all added. And now, oh, I should have had this upside down. Let's let that sit a minute. Okay, I left this turned upside down. And now I'm going to squeeze the rest out, or try to. I know my hand's in the way. My bare paws are in the way. And I want...
We all want to witness the disaster here.
Well, now I should have used more in the bottom. Okay.
The cameraman might have said that at one time, but...
Oh, well. These are cute, but I don't know that I'd give these to a, oh my.
I
To a
wouldn't give this
kid.
to an adult.
You mean you wouldn't buy me more of these? All right, let me get my glasses. There's a marshmallow. Where's that crunchy stuff? Here's my little spoons. Oh my God, I'm a mess. Okay, let me get my crunchies and put them on one side. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that is cute. And then a couple more marshmallows, and they say to use the tweezers, and God knows I need to.
Don't get the goop on the tweezers or the other
I'm
marshmallow won't come off.
trying not to. Notice that I left the paper under. Oh, these are cute. Look at that little chocolate bar. I'm not putting them all in here. I'm going to have one for a chocolate bar for my dolls to hold. Oh no, I hid the marshmallows. All right, get back in there. I think we're just going to have one there, and these are going to be for my girls. And I want the spoon sticking out. I think that's really cute if I can get it off my hand. That is really cute. All right, let me put it back in the window for 5 minutes, and then we'll show you in the doll's hand. Okay, Darren went and got a UV light because as luck would have it today, the sun is right overhead. I lost it in the last window and it's not going to be here for a while. Okay, so here's what I got. This cute little serving ball with a table inside. That might be a good size for my mini Blythe. And then I saved this after, and I just put that down real tight. And I got 2 pieces of chocolate bar and these cute little tweezers, but look at this. You know, even as much as a mess as I am, that really came out cute. Here's what I do to put these on my Blythe. Yes, I could just put that in her hand, but I'm taking 2 clear rubber bands. I buy these for their doll's hair, and now I've got them all squished together. Stretch them out. I put one in through the handle, if I can. Let me grab it with little tweezers. Let's see if these little tweezers will work. And then I put them back through the middle. Pull that forward. I can't grab it. Yeah, these tweezers don't work as well as my big ones. All right, and then I push those through, pull this over. This is a little fatter than other items. I only got 1, nope, I got 2. Sometimes I used to do this with just my hand, but not anymore. There we go. And then turning this with the cup upward, I put that over her hand. Usually I do this without the tweezers, but since I got them going, I'm going to go ahead and put that down to her wrist. And that way, especially if you're taking her somewhere like I do my dolls, there it is in her hand. Actually, it should go like this. If that slides out, you still have that rubber band to hold it on. Look how cute that is. So there she is, Tina. That is so cute. Oh, I wanted to show you. There's a little note. Hope your dolls enjoy, from Tina's Reborns. And we will put Tina's link below, and you can go watch her make some pies and stuff that I've seen on her channel. She's better at it than I am. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you, Tina. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.